Look, listen and say. Read. On weekdays, Sagar gets up at 6 in the morning. He and his grandfather read some stories in Bangla and English. Then he and his sister have breakfast at 8 o'clock. Sagar gets dressed after breakfast and leaves for school at 9 o'clock because school starts at 10 o'clock. In the evening, Sagar does his homework. He loves Bangla. It is his favorite subject. After he does his homework, Sagar spends time with his grandparents. He and his family have dinner at 9 p.m. Then he goes to bed at 10 p.m. On weekends, Sagar visits his aunt and uncle in the afternoon. He and Kea play in the park with their cousins. In the evening, he watches TV or reads stories to Kea. At night, he goes to bed at 11 o'clock. Do Activity A from your textbook. Read the first paragraph from your textbook. Read answers and make questions about Sagar. 1. Answer. Sagar gets up at 6 in the morning. When does Sagar get up? 2. Answer. Sagar gets dressed after breakfast. What does Sagar do after breakfast? 3. Answer. Bangla is Sagar's favorite subject. What is Sagar's favorite subject? Read the second paragraph from your textbook. Answer the following questions. 1. What does Sagar do in the afternoon on weekends? On weekends, Sagar visits his aunt and uncle in the afternoon. 2. What does Sagar do in the evening? Sagar watches TV or reads stories to Kea in the evening. Read the sentences. Write T for true or F for false. True. True. False. 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 Do Activity B from your textbook. Correct the false sentences from Activity B. Write them in your exercise book. School starts at 9 in the morning. School starts at 10 in the morning. English is Sagar's favorite subject. Bangla is Sagar's favorite subject. Sagar watches TV with Kea and his cousins. Sagar and Kea play in the park with their cousins. On weekends, Sagar goes to bed at 10 o'clock at night. Sagar goes to bed at 11 o'clock at night. Do Activity C from your textbook.